Soldiers are fighting sailors. Sailors are fighting Marines. Directly in front of me, I see a flying blonde floozy. Everywhere I look, everywhere, pure pandemonium. Pandemonium.
Do your head just back over a rabbit dick to Tom, baby. Don't want me to tell you what happened.
Did you hear that radio over there?
Take your head clean.
Our boys are fighting each other down there.
Tom, baby.
There's one thing I can't stand. It's Americans fighting Americans.
Jones,
Yes, sir.
you want to fight in this man's army?
Yes, sir. I want to fight in the United
Gentlemen, draw your web gear and weapons and prepare to mount up. Immediately on the double, let's go! Jones, port hatch.
What's the port hatch, Sarge? The back door, Arthur.
Foley, fuel pumps, prime 1.
Fuel pumps, prime 1.
And 2.
And 2. Fuel pumps, prime.
Magnetos, spark 1.
Magneto, spark 1.
And 2.
And 2.
All right, boost and start her up.
Parking brake released. Flaps up. Trim set. We're ready. Radio on. Jesus Christ!
What?
This thing hasn't got a radio!
Colonel, this thing hasn't got a radio.
What radio?
It hasn't got a radio. I gotta let Interceptor Command know I'm up there. I don't want to get my ass shot off.
Hell, son, you can't call Interceptor Command. The plane doesn't have a radio.
I know it doesn't have a radio.
I know it doesn't have a radio, but I got a telephone. Don't worry, I'll call them for you. You got a telephone. Okay.
Chuck, hey, wonderful. Bomb the hell out of it, son. That's it. Right away, son. Bomb the hell out of it. Hey, whoa, look out, son. What? Hey, take your foot off the right brake, son. Straight away, son.
Oh, stop showing off.
Hey, get out. Hey, son, I'm going the wrong way.
West Ray, emergency oops tray, and we're Eddie Ray to all Ray.
Thanks. Hey, don't do that, son.
And salute.
Full throttle, max power, past the point of rejection.
I think you're gonna hit the tower.
Nah, we missed it.
This is SOP. Roger Ray, where are you? Straight east, Ray. Heavy indeed. How do you read me?
Interceptor Command, this is Colonel Maddox.
Hello? My God, we've been cut off!
Did you ever see an elephant fly?
Well, I seen a horse fly.
I seen a dragonfly. I seen a house fly. See, I seen all that too. I seen a peanut stand and heard a rubber band. I seen a needle that winked its eye. But I be done seen about everything when I see an elephant fly.
What you say, boy?
I said when I see an elephant fly.
There's Sergeant.
They're rioting in the streets.
Who's right?
Soldiers and sailors. And zoot suiters.
Suit suiters?
Yes, sir.
Sounds to me like a matter for the police. Police, for patrol, MPs. Let them handle the riots, I'll handle the Japanese. That's all, Sergeant.
Yes, sir.
And I just laughed till I thought I'd die.
But I be done seen about everything.
Well, away, I can't see the screen. Down in front, you, down. Oh, relax, watch the movie.
But I be done seen about everything when I see an elephant fly.